Pero nawawala. God. Ang?
Upo na nga rin tanaw. Natapad. Mo di ay surrender na lang po ang iran. Kaya daw ang inanlaw tayo ng nasukay yun is kaya gitira di ay dahil sa amin kaday. Wala din day sa nakita obligation day. Ano bitaw, di ba? Upuan sila. Makita man nilang na ay nilupad. Wala nilang kita day. Nadi di sa ilalong sa...
Nakakakuan yata ang signal.
Sa ilalong day sa... Wala sa ibabaw, ilalong. Nakita man ko lang kung napasa ni mo tagad. Uyaw lagi kaayo day.
Kadlo ko no?
Ilalong nila gipaagi day. Ayan nila gitira sa taas. Wala sa kabalo na ilalong di ay sila. Katong ilapang gisubay kung sige kamatian atong duwa ka buok nila ila presidente o katong kuan. So surrender sila. Nawala ni mo. Okay to this.
Live president. Important kita sa atin.
Pinalit ay mo ba? Ang matang nila nagsama sila. Sa nalang ako, ang tataon sila. Sa tabak nga ako sa tabak, lamian na sila.
Laki yung luto na. Limpyo mo po siya, te? Limpyo siya maluto. Hindi siya pareha ka ng uban. Kita ba kung saan yung pagluto. Pero katong nagkuhan siya, sa pa itong kiluto niya, itong karne yata to. Nag-gloves man siya, nakita na ako, tapos pero gitanggal ya, siguro siya ganahin ba?
Hindi siya magkiwas siya maglingin.
Dapat na anadjud ko ingon ani, kaya daot naman ako mata.
Wala na. Sinil kay. Okay sa tong tarong mo pay wala uyab. Nag-chat, nag-comment yung uyab single di ay ka okay ano siya hali ko nanay.
Girls are guys,
Hindi na masuot sa akong bata ang katong mga anak niya. Diretso. Nagpa-vlog sa mga kaluwar na kung paan.
ay naka landscape na ina na ko vlog kay eating unhealthy foods before going to sleep. Kakit siya diha ka?
Ang bata ang papo. Ano na. Supun at arat.
Siyempre. That's only a four. That's why. Okay, so
Ano kay sa RG? Mautong ko nung iniyak. Lagi na sa tibutong. Nalimag ka upag ta oras, day.
kada nakakaon na siya. Mag 4 hours naman ba?
Karon ianak na ko no ang tutoy. Mag-iyak na sige.
Ay, ikaw ba yun naman 4 hours o yan makatutoy? Siyempre. Ano guys, so we just came home and we're just done. No. But fixing ourselves, taking a bath, or washing, and then we're very tired today, and I feel like I can kind of sick. I think I'm a bit cough. And I let ate to put Vicks and what's that? Efficacent in my shoulder. Yeah, because I feel a lot of pain. Yeah. Now after all of that, we're eating unhealthy food. You know what? We really have a bad internet connection here. And that's why. I'm just recording a video just to document my useless routine at night. Yeah. So that's it. Just to watch if you want to watch. If you don't want to watch, okay, skip. Mm, 13,000 dollar.
13,000 US.
US dollar. Yeah. So I am wearing Fredcon shirt. So back naman Fredcon. Sponsor us. What they call that?
Nagsuka na ino ng batag sa libi at tumuhan.
Oh my goodness. Check ang dugo. Nagsuka og
Kaya patutoy man dahil pagkamunan.
kaluoy man. Kaluoy man ti.
Mas lang mga tulog daw.
Pero na may doktor ka. Nurse. Yeah. See? Team Fredcon. Make your riding more fun. You know what they call that one? I forgot what is it. Like the telecom. It's not telecom. What is it? I really forgot. So some of the driver, like motorcycle driver, are using that one for the passenger. I don't know. Intercom. Yeah, something like intercom. Yeah. So baka naman sponsor us. I have your shirt. I got it for free. Yes. Okay. So this is my first time useless vlog. Nonsense vlog. I just feel so bored and tired and I have nothing to do, so what can I do? If you want to watch. If you don't want, skip. You go to the next video. That's all. My audio is not so loud because it's already night time, so I have to speak like very like my natural voice. Artist watching me, looking at me while I'm talking to the camera. What's that? So what do you call that? Please comment down if what kind of content should I put in my YouTube channel, because I don't know But maybe I'll just put random things. I don't know. I like about my daily life, but I want someone to like what do you call that? Suggest what is good, because I don't know. Okay. So
Kailangan 30 minutes.
really ma'am. Sakay. Dito snap ate. Okay, so I will get more. So we're eating Mr. Chips because ano na kasi siya, widowed na siya. So Mr. Chips, wala nang Mrs. Chips, it's only Mr. Chips. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god. So, what time? Ano sa oras, te? Sa oras? 11? Okay. We're just going to finish this one and then we're going to sleep now. Yeah. I feel like I'm sick. So, because I don't have stand. So I'm just put my video. I video my camera, my phone. It's just somewhere. And I put something at the back to make it like, yeah. So para just natin. Just my normal life routine, night routine. This is my first time eating chips because actually I'm not into chicha or junk foods. I'm more on food like real food. This is not real food. This is unhealthy. Yeah, it's not good. I'm too sleepy. I'm very sleepy. Instead, I don't like to, don't like to open my hair. I feel like it's heavy. Like I'm not comfortable. Kaya man, tagtuyog naman ko na. But I'm really sleepy. I'm sleepy. I don't know why. It's maybe just because of my age. I always feel sleepy, but when I'm in the bed or I'm lying down, I can't sleep. I can't totally sleep. Hindi ako pag mag-CR. Kita at mga kwaknit. So, okay. So maybe in my next vlog, I'm going to introduce myself because no one knows me, right? Don't expect too much about me because you don't need to expect. Just if you want to watch. I don't want someone to have a lot like big expectation about me. I just want go on, like just go with the flow, just go on. Pantaya tayo na. Go on. Just go with the flow. Yeah. Anyway, I want to congratulate my niece for having an award. I don't know what kind of award, but it's an award. Congratulations. Congratulations, Karen Jane Musika, for being the summa cum laude. Summa cum laude. Summa 10 taon. Yeah, for having an award. I don't really know what kind of award it's that. But I'm so proud of you. Tita will always be proud of all my nieces, of my nephews. You know, wala. And it's so crunchy. I'm almost done eating. And I'm about turn off the light, maybe in 10 minutes. Yeah. So I can sleep. Okay. You see that? What happened to my hand? Actually, I still don't know how to look at the camera. Maybe I don't know if I'm going to look at the screen or look at the, what do you call that? The lens of the camera. I'm not used to it. Remember? Yeah, so I'm done. I finished it. I'll just have to wash my hand. Who I think everyone's doing this one after they finish the job. The chicheria or the snacks. They're going to, lick the remaining cheese or something. Yeah. Na-start, nasimulan, nasugod na naman siya.
Wala din siya na abunuhan ng dugo na nang taang dugo kagi. Obserbaran pa kahinay o vital sign.
Oh. Pa-check din na siya, monthly na siya. And then so, yeah, because we ate. True. Bata pabaya na yung mga anak. So we have to finish this one because we ate a lot of chicheria.
Nga nung magsakit ang bata o manipon, dili na tungod sa ngipon kung dili kay hinay bigla. Si Doc po ang pincha siya. Ang matod pa sa expecto ang pinakadako nga tabang sa kaugaling mo sa buko kay ang pag-exercise.
Oh. Bukog? Mabito ako mga bukog, mga tingong-tingong kay mga pa-exercise. Pero daan dyan din, kamay pa ko. Makadungog, tuto ka na magtingong-tingong gaya siya. Ang pinaninti rin na part. Pero di man ang kulodit.
Ako na rin siya ng chata na konsulta ang pagpapayan ng problema.
Dapat na kay regular nga pedya.
Mga pag-iba pang utalis lang po ka na ng siya kung ano na siya. Nagulak mo na siya klinik ng doktor sa ilaha.
Waon man na nimo ang medical result, ang mga medical history sa mga ta.
Waon na ng medical history. Pahawiran ako siya picture. siya.
Pahawiran ng sa video niya. Okay, so
Ay, hindi
guys,
naman na siya, wala naman na siya clinic ng doktora.
I
finished
finished.
hospital yun.
I finished the water, so I have to wash my hand now. Okay. Babalik din ako. Babalik ka muli. Wait. Okay guys, so I'm back. Para ngayon lang lumakas yung boses ko. So, good night!